In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage personal productivity in Goodday. We'll walk through a simple flow that helps you focus on the right work every day. Even though the steps are short, I'll explain what each one actually does and how you can use it to stay organized and productive. First, start by opening Goodday in your browser and logging into your workspace. Once you're in, the main area you want to look for is the Home section. This is your central hub where you can quickly get an overview of what's happening, what's coming up, and what needs your attention. To get there, click on Home in the top navigation bar. If you don't see it immediately, look for the main menu or logo area, because Home is usually placed in a very visible spot. Think of Home as your personal command center. It's where you can reset, refocus, and start your day with clarity instead of jumping straight into random tasks. From the Home view, you'll now want to narrow your focus down to only the work that is specifically assigned to you. This is where the My Work section comes in. My Work is designed to show you exactly what you're responsible for, across all projects and teams in one place. Click on My Work. This might appear as a tab, a button, or an item in a sidebar, depending on how your Goodday layout is configured. Once you open it, you should see tasks, deadlines, and possibly different views like lists, boards, or calendar-style layouts. Use this area to quickly scan your current and upcoming tasks. A helpful habit is to sort or filter your My Work view by priority or due date. This gives you a clear picture of what absolutely needs to be done today versus what can wait. If Goodday lets you change the view, try switching between list and board views to see which one helps you think more clearly. As you move through your day, keep coming back to Home and My Work. Start from Home to get context, then go into My Work to decide what to do next. This simple loop, repeated daily, will help you stay on top of your personal productivity in Goodday without feeling overwhelmed.